What's going on, YouTube traders, investors? Today we're looking at SPACs. You may wonder, what is an SPAC? Well, in this video, we're going to dive into what an SPAC is and how they've been blowing up over the past few months. Let's get into it. Before we get in the video, if you like this type of content and want to see more, please subscribe to the channel and like the video because it helps out immensely. And also, smash that bell for future notifications. Okay, here we are in the Thinkorswim platform presented by TD Ameritrade. And the chart you're looking at right now is Spartan Energy, which is an SPAC. But before we get into Spartan Energy, GRAF, all them other ticker symbols, you need to know what an SPAC is. An SPAC stands for Special Purpose Acquisition Company. So basically, these companies they only exist because they want to merge with another company to form a company. Basically, they're going to invest in that company. So they're also known as blank check companies. So if you can grasp that an SPAC is basically just a shell. It's just there to pick a private company that they want to invest in and bring them public. So basically, it's just like it says. It's a merger. It's an acquisition company. It's merging their money with their technology or their skills or whatever it may be that they're looking to invest in to create a company. And then they will generally change the ticker symbol. And the most common one that I can remember that everybody remembers was VTIQ, which merged with Nikola, and now the ticker symbol is NKLA for Nikola. That's the most recent one, and it's up over 60% right now. It did dip yesterday, and it shot up. Well, it dipped the day before yesterday, shot up yesterday, and continued to hover around where it was yesterday. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and dig into some of the SPACs that are running right now. Okay, here we are on the first ticker symbol that we're going to be looking at. It is SPAQ, Spartan Energy Acquisition. And today, look what happened on the daily chart. They started out at about $10.70, rode it all the way up to almost 15 at the close. And then look at the after hours. We're hitting new highs, 1565. Now you may be thinking, what caused this acquisition company to run? Well, there is rumors that they are in talks with electric vehicle maker Fisker. I didn't know a bunch about Fisker, but they make electric vehicles. I guess he came from Aston Martin, used to make those. He had another venture that was trying to compete with Tesla at one point. It went bankrupt. So that's kind of scary, but maybe he learned a lot from that and they're going to do better. Obviously, this stock is taking off on the news. So Spartan Energy Acquisition is an SPAC. And reportedly, this is not in stone yet, but they are going to merge with electric vehicle maker Fisker. That's going to be it with this one. We're about to bounce over to the next one. Here we are on the next SPAC. It's going to be GRAF Industrial Corp. And they are an SPAC, like I said earlier in this video, special acquisition company. And as you can see, they were up 17% today. They opened at about $17.83 and they closed right at $20, a little over 20. And here is the after hours. They've continued up, not quite like Spartan Energy, but they are up. The deal with GRAF is they have a deal in place to merge with a company called Velodyne LiDAR. And what Velodyne LiDAR does, I don't know if I'm saying that right. You'll have to excuse me. I'm probably not. But anyways, LiDAR makes autonomous vehicle equipment. They make the sensors, everything that helps the vehicle drive basically on its own. And if you don't know by now, we are trending towards autonomous vehicles. We are trending towards electric vehicles, and they go hand in hand. So this is GRAF Industrial Corporation, another special acquisition company. So definitely keep it on your radar because we know these things can explode. Here we are on ticker symbol LCA, Lancadia Holdings Inc. This is once again another SPAC, and the news with this one. All right, before we get into the news, as you can see, this one opened up at about 1375, dipped all the way down to about 1260, around 1260, and then shot up. And I got in about right here. That's what I was gonna say. I am invested in this SPAC. This is the only one that I'm currently invested in. I got in at about 1320. I wanna say right up in this area right here, I got in and rode it up. I do have 500 shares of this company throughout both of my accounts, throughout my Robinhood account and my TD Ameritrade account. So I am invested in this with the average cost of about $13.20. Anyways, back to the news. The owner of the Houston Rockets, Tillman Fertitta, is the owner of Golden Nugget Online Gaming. And this is who Lancadia is merging with. So the big deal with this is that it is going to be direct competition to DraftKings. And if anybody knows about DraftKings, which was another special acquisition company, that's how it was formed. It formed, I can't remember the ticker symbol it merged with, but I remember looking at it and I had an opportunity to get in basically the ground floor. But if you know anything about DraftKings, DKNG, I believe is the ticker symbol, they flew up to over $40. They've come down now, which is expected. That's what these things do. They fly up and then people take the profit. They come down, consolidate, and if they're a good company, they continue to go up. But anyway, Tillman Fertitta owns this, and he also owns the Houston Rockets, and that was the news that came out. They are merging. I think it came out a while back, but I think people are just understanding how big this could really be. But this is ticker symbol LCA, Lancadia Holdings, another special acquisition company. Moving on. Okay, these next two are just going to be really follow-ups because I've already done videos on both of these, and then that's going to conclude the video. So if you want to bounce out now, bounce out now. But this one is called FMCI Foreign Merger Corporation. Basically, what they are going to compete with Beyond Meat. So this could be the next Beyond Meat. I did a video on it, and we'll back out. This is over the past 5 days. They've ranged almost $18. Right now, they're currently at about 16. But this is a special acquisition company that is already in talks and have an agreement. And I believe Q3, they will become Tattooed Chef. And it is plant-based meat that they are selling. And the next one is going to be ticker symbol SHLL. It's going to be Tortoise Acquisition Corp. Another acquisition company, and this one is one that really flew. We're gonna back up real quick. We'll go back over the 20-day chart. As you can see, this one hit $34 at the high, $34.67. And if you don't know anything about Hyliion, they make a electric powertrains for like big diesel trucks, and they also make hybrid electric powertrains for the same diesel trucks. So this is where we're trending towards, the electric vehicles. So that's why everybody jumped on this one. This one is setting up. If you can look at it, I've been following it. Basically, I see kind of like a bull flag, bull pennant right here. Could be about to take off. This one also is going to change their ticker symbol and become Hyliion in Q3 of this year. So that's going to conclude this video. This was just a little quick video just to make out this. I know a lot of people are trying to figure out what is an SPAC. So I wanted to bring this to you, point out a few of them. There are a lot more SPACs out there and they are booming. So do your research on them before you invest. Do not take what I say because I do what I do. But do your own research before you invest in these companies. And that's going to conclude the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Please like. It helps out tremendously. And smash that bell for future notifications. Thanks for watching.